a Blätter Glück, and of course, my watch or watches box. Ayan, guys.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Hello guys, this is me again, Rob Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipas lang ang katapat. Well, today vlogs is we're going to show you or unboxing or not, or I will show you also what my papino gave it to me. Ayan. Danke, meine papi chulo. And of course, ayan, mahal kita. Ayan guys, he gave me the jewelier. Ayan, jeweliero. And of course, meron tayong ayan guys. Meron din tayong ano for the watch, because I have a lot of watches, box, what do you call this? This is the watch wax jewelry or something like that. Whatever. So ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Let's open it one by one. Ayan guys, I will show you. Ayan, let's start guys dito sa ating jewelry. Ayan, charan! And of course guys, ayan, of course, meron siyang receipt, but I don't tell you how much the cost or how much it, diba? And of course, ayan, wait lang ha mga kalindog. Let's make my okay, so ayan. And now let's open this. Ayan mga kalindog, beautiful, diba? Jewelries Asher Peld. Ayan guys. So let's open. Tingnan natin guys kung bagay siya. Ayan. Oh my god. Guys, this is the kind of what do you call this? This is the glue or the lucky. They call this a flower. It's a Blätter Glück, I think. So, diba? Ayan guys, oh. Beautiful siya. Gold siya. Ayan. I think is 18 carats of gold. But anyways, it's good na beautiful. So, ayan guys. Let's try. Try natin siya mga kalindog. Diba? So, ayan. Ang ganda diba guys? Ayan. Promise. I love it. Ayan guys. There we go. At ayan sa dulo or in the last what do you call this? The necklace. Ayan, meron siyang small stone. Ayan, I don't know what kind of stone this, oh, diba? Basta stone siya. So, ayan guys, let's try it. Diba? Beautiful, guys. This is my favorite, color green. And of course, this is the lucky color today for the New Year. This year of the rabbit. So, ayan guys, oh, this is the gold. Ayan. Gold yung kanyang likod. Wait, let's show you here. Para makita nyo. The back is gold. Ayan. Of course. O, diba? And this is, of course, the I think, I don't know what kind of wax this or something. But it's beautiful, guys. Ayan. So, let's try na natin, guys. Kung maganda siya. Ayan. Let's try, guys. Diba? This is my favorite guys color. So ayan. Of course, I show you first. Ayan guys. From the last of the kettle or the necklace, you can adjust here whatever, no? You can make short or longer. So ayan. So I prefer to put to the last. Kasi the last is I like the chalk. The necklace chalk. So ayan guys. Ayan, mga kalindog. So, let's show it. Ayan guys, show ko sa inyo ha. I show it to you guys. Ayan, di ba? Ayan mga kalindog. O, di ba beautiful ang necklace. What can you say guys? Di ba? So, ayan mga kalindog. Beautiful siya, di ba? So, pwede pa siyang iksian, guys. We can make a quartz more. So, like, for example, like this, guys. Ayan. I'm gonna put in the last. Wait, huh? I think I got wrong. So, ayan. I try to put in the last, guys. This is the last. So, ayan mga kalindog. Because I like the really chalk necklace. So ayan guys, o di ba? Ayan, more ayan, o di ba beautiful guys? So what can you say? So ayan. Gracias Papino. And now we're going to open now the watches jewelry bags. So ayan guys, no? Makita nyo siya. Beautiful. Ayan, we can put also my for example, my what do you call this? My sunglass. Ayan guys, yung sunglass ko, no? So we can put this. We'll show you. For example, this, oh. My sunglass, oh guys. Ayan mga kalindo. So, for example lang, ha? Later on, let's demonstrate how to use it. So, ayan guys, wait lang. Because my nose is running. I have a runny nose. Ayan guys, wait. So, pakita ko sa inyo mga kalindog. Ayan. So guys, let's open now these. Ayan, guys. Ayan. So I think I need some because it's kailangan natin ng ball pen mga kalindog. I'm going to use this on my ayan mga kalindog, ha. This is my my hearing o-ring. Ayan, hearing o-ring. Ayan guys. Kasi naka plaster siya. It's a plaster. So like you see? Very easy. Diba? It's like a knife. Ayan guys, ito naman yung kanya ding wax is a pink. So like this guys, the color is green. So it's right. So it's nice. Ayan mga kalindog. So let's try. So now let's open this guys. Ayan, I will show you. Tcharan! So guys, oh my god, it's beautiful. Ayan guys, beautiful siya. I will show you. Ayan. Kasi mas malayo, mas I will show you. O, di ba? Ayan, may plastic pa siya. And, I don't know how much is this. Oh, they have a key guys. Ayan. You can use this, like, ayan guys, so beautiful. But I don't know where's, oh, the key is inside. So, yeah. Oh my god, OMG, guys. Oh, beautiful. This is the glass. Of course, glass, huh? So, let's open. Ayan, guys. We need to press here, like, both sides. Ayan, guys. I'll show you. Oh, that's it. Oh, there we go. Ayan, mga kalindog. And, of course, here is the key. Ayan, so, pwede natin yung lagay. So, ayan, guys. Every watch or every watch we can put in here. So ayan, I will show you guys kung, diba, did you see my other vlog about my watches? So ayan guys, I have a lot of watches. So ayan, I can put in here. Ayan guys, ang ating mga watches. Ayan, meron tayong 1, 2, ayan 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Ayan, yung mga favorite ko lang. This is only my favorite what I'm using. So, for example, this guys, oh, let's put this, the Tissot. Ayan. So, let's try, guys. Oh, beautiful. So, ayan. Oh my God, guys. But, ayan. He is small. Ayan, masyado siyang small. But, it's anyways, we can put like this only, guys, no? So, for example, ayan, guys, I will show it to you. Ayan, like that. Ayan, diba? And, of course, the other, ayan, guys, I will show you still. Even that one. So this is the Seiko quartz. This is the one what I telling you guys that I bought in Japan. Ayan, let's make only like this. For example. O, diba guys? Ayan, beautiful. So there we go. And we can put here, of course, ayan, my expensive Lacoste. Charles. This is the Lacoste. And of course, meron tayo ditong my sunglass, of course. I bought this in America. This is the Coach, guys. Ayan. This is the Coach. Ayan, guys. Coach. Hindi ba? This I'm gonna wear when I have the, what do you call that? The contact lens. O, diba? So, yan. What can you say, guys? So, now, we can put it here inside. Like this. O, diba, guys? Very convenient. Ito na naman tayo sa berry. So, ayan guys, we need to always press here. Ayan, like for example, ayan, oh guys, there we go. Ayan mga kalindog. Ano ko dito para you can see it. So, it's beautiful, right? So, ayan mga kalindog. I hope did you enjoy my unboxing and I show you my lucky necklace, the Blätter Glück, and of course my watch or watches box. Ayan guys, don't forget to smile. Ayan, so thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video. So guys, thank you, bye.